nVent King Innovations Direct Bury Aqua Lugs are perfect for use with low-voltage, water utility tracer lines. The unique design of these lugs allows for service lines to be installed without cutting the main line. A great way to make connection without compromising line integrity. A part of the DryConn product line, Direct Bury Aqua Lugs are both waterproof and corrosion-proof, making them suitable for severe weather conditions. In addition, these user-friendly lugs install in 1 minute or less for quick, quality jobs. To install nVent King Innovations Aqua Lugs, closely follow installation instructions provided on nVent King Innovation product packaging and specification sheets.